It's my birthday. Or at least it was. Because we're celebrating late. Hero training. We have a cake. I'm gonna bring it closer. It's a butter cake. It's gluten-free, because Todoroki's gluten-free. We love you. But because I wanted a chocolate cake for my birthday, and it's my birthday, I got cocoa powder to put in it. Did we start with a bowl? Yeah, I know that.
Oh, open the packet. Wait, no, we need to get the ingredients.
What bowl do I use? This one. This one's good.
We only have 1 egg, and the recipe calls for 2.
Oh.
So we're using mayo instead, in replace of one of the eggs.
I have a stool, because I don't want to stand. Also, we have jazz music playing in the background, and I'm not sure if you can hear it, but if you can, enjoy the jazz music.
You like jazz?
What do we have?
2 eggs,
2 eggs?
milk, and butter, and then the pan that we're using, but we need to preheat the oven.
Oh, yeah, we do.
180.
So, because we got the, I'm not very good at opening this. No!
But we still need the instructions.
That's okay. That's okay. It's fine. It's not fun.
Make sure it's the front and not the back. Where's your butter?
It's in the fridge, in the door, on the top. Your watch is going. What time is it? You have a military
7.
time? Of course you do. It's 7? So, I don't bake often, because since I moved out and into the UA dorms, I'm not really the one who does the baking. Sato does, but
His baking's good.
his baking is really good. And the only reason that he's not making this cake is because we are home for break. 61. Oh, I'm just gonna finish that off. We'll do a little bit extra because a little extra butter never hurt nobody except for lactose intolerant people. And I am not lactose intolerant, but Kachan is. Are you lactose intolerant? Are you kidding me?
That's fine.
You never told me.
I definitely
You have?
100%.
Oh, I forgot.
No one ever listens to me.
I do listen to you. I know everything about you and your quirk. Except
I
for the
wouldn't
fact
doubt that.
except for the fact that you're lactose intolerant, which I didn't know. We're only 10 grams over. You'll be fine. But first,
Is there a third person joining us?
crouch down a little bit so they can see you. So you have one. But you need the other one.
Why do I need to?
Because it matches your hair. I have one that matches my hair.
This matches my hair.
Yeah, but this matches your hair on your other side. Put it on. It's my birthday, you have to be nice.
You happy now?
So, what do you think? I think you look beautiful, personally.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm not too sure about that, but okay.
It really, like, the second one really adds to it.
Does it?
No, you can take it off if you want.
Please.
You know, it was,
While doing this.
It was beautiful while you had it.
Happy birthday.
We'll just give that one to Kacho.
I'm sure he'll love it.
Or Kirishima.
Kirishima would like it.
Kirishima would love that.
Mm-hmm.
I'll give it to Kirishima. This one! We can give this one to Kachan. I just got a Costco ad. No, I don't like Costco. Okay, so it's a little more than softened, but it's fine. Because it all gets baked anyways. Do you want to mix it or should I? Okay. It's better. Yeah, because if we mix it and then add all of like the other stuff, it's less likely to get clumpy.
You know how to think.
Yeah. I do. I did it with my mom all the time.
I didn't get to do a lot with my mom.
At least you can bake Sato now that we're all in the dorms.
I can learn.
You can learn. Yeah! Do you know how to bake anything? No, you don't. If I get shell in this, I might cry. No, I didn't. Okay, you can mix that all over its my hands. How's it mix it?
It's throwing me so much that we're putting mayo in a cake.
Totally. So now we're gonna add the chocolate powder.
I don't know how much we need.
I don't really know how much. I was just gonna eyeball.
That's terrifying. Oh, that looks like plenty.
Yeah, that's good. It comes with icing, but do you want to make icing or do you want to make frosting?
I like buttercream frosting.
Let's make buttercream frosting. It's a little bit grainy, just a little bit, but like
When it's cooked.
when it's cooked, I don't think you'll taste it. And with frosting on top, we'll be fine. With All Might frosting on top.
We're using a pot for the cake to go in instead.
I don't have any actual like cake tins, so there we go. Okay, we have a greased up, definitely not cake pan, but it's a makeshift cake pan.
It's the best cake pan I've ever seen.
Okay, cake is being poured. Wait, can we move up to that? Okay, that's better. This is gonna be great. This is gonna be a great cake. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.
I'll just put it on top. I don't work in the kitchen. We've discussed this.
We have. Okay. And now that that's in,
We'll set a timer.
oh yeah. Hey Google, set a timer for 45 minutes.
Got it. 45 minutes.
Took me a minute to think about what time we needed.
Now.
You say all night cake. What are we doing for the design? Okay.
I can draw it. Do you want me to draw it? I'll draw it.
Yeah.
My All Might cake drawing. So imagine this is our cake, right? So imagine that's the cake.
I'm imagining really hard.
And then we have like blue icing on top of the cake. Oh, wait, my That's my all-white cake design. Yeah.
Place icing mix, milk, and butter into a mixing bowl. Do you have icing sugar?
Yeah.
Okay,
Should we get more?
that's what I was thinking of. I think we'll see how much this makes, and if we need to make more, we can just make more.
Okay. Add some milk.
Yeah, this is a tablespoon of it.
I guess I just add a splash. We'll know if the texture's right or not. Okay, it feels right. Just a little bit. A bit more. There we go.
That looks a lot better.
That's banger. This can be the blue. Oh, I'm gonna mix the blue in. Don't get it on your shirt. Moved over you. That's good. Okay. Blue icing has been made. I'm gonna put the lid back on the blue so that I don't knock it over and then cry.
Hear it? Yeah. That looks like
That looks like it.
a little bit. No, I was saying a little bit too much.
Yeah, but we doubled the butter.
Right.
So, double this.
That looks like it should be good.
Yeah.
That looks plenty, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna add the butter now. Oh my god.
You okay? Is it burn?
Yeah.
I know a thing or two about burns. I can help you.
Oh, what?
You burn.
Yeah. It just hurts. I ran it under cold water, but like,
You ran it out of the cold water too late.
yeah, I did. I'm gonna do an itty bitty little amount for the red, because it's only the lining.
I'm gonna steal your stool.
Okay.
I'm gonna steal here.
This was used for sugar, so we can use that for one of the piping bags.
Yeah.
Recycling. Oh, that's quite a bit of red dye. Oopsies. Okay. So now that we've got the red down, all that's left is the yellow for the All Might. Make sure you write that properly.
Like that?
Yeah.
Nope. On the board.
All Might cake is almost done.
Do you want to show them the cake?
Yeah, do you want to lick those? Oh. The cake! Do you think it would come out? I have a cooling tray.
Let it cool down a little bit before trying to get it out.
Okay. I'll wait 15 minutes until it cools, and then I'll give it a little test, and then I'll put it on the cooling tray so it'll cool faster.
Yeah.
Okay, it's time. Oh no. It's time to move. Ah! It's time to move the cake to a cooling tray, such as this one. And so we're gonna try and delicately move our precious, precious cake onto here. It seems to spread away from the edges.
Oh!
That worked!
It worked. Didn't even stick to the baking paper.
Yeah. Wait. This is weird.
Yeah.
I wanna flip it.
Hold on. No. Do you have a spatula? Let's take a moment of silence for the cake.
How can we fix this? What do we do? It's okay. Should we put it back in the bowl? Leave it. It tastes really good.
Bruh.
Okay. Let that cool down a bit. Let that cool down a bit. We can't go back. We can't go back. That didn't do anything. It's fine. Oh, I cooked. Oh, I cooked. See, it's only cracked on the bottom. What do we do?
That is a good cake. Should we just like forever leave it in that bowl?
Yes.
Okay.
So we're gonna... Jesus Christ. Okay, so we messed up. I messed up.
It's perfectly fine. It's great.
It looks just like my drawing so far. Why are you laughing?
Nothing.
It looks just like what I drew.
Yeah.
I mean, like the base level of what I drew, I mean.
Yeah. You really can't not put things in your mouth. I've lost count.
I like eating. I have to, get strong. When I was younger, my mom always said, you have to eat everything on your plate so you can grow up and be big and strong. And I did. And here I am at UA. I mean, no, not here I am. I'm at my house, but like, we're at my house. I made it into UA. Yeah, this rocks.
Should we play a game?
Play what?
A little party game?
Yeah, what party game?
I don't know.
Never have I ever.
Oh god, no.
Never have I ever. Never have I ever snuck into the dorm kitchen past 10 p.m. Our curfew. The kitchen curfew, at least.
No.
You've never? I know someone who has. Gotcha.
Doesn't he go to sleep at like 8?
He does, but he got up one time, and I was going to the bathroom, and that's not past curfew. Like that doesn't have a curfew.
Yeah.
And I saw him walk towards the kitchen, and I think
Was he
either
thirsty?
maybe, but like still. I mean, well, also like I'm pretty sure he keeps water in his room. So like, what was he doing in the kitchen? More water? I don't know. Maybe. But I saw him walk into the kitchen, and I think I have a couple theories. Either A, he secretly bakes. B,
He seems like a baker.
he does.
He
but,
can
like,
cook.
and I've known him for forever. Like, for forever. But I've never seen him bake anything.
Maybe it's a secret.
Maybe. That's why it's a theory. Or I think maybe he was sleepwalking.
Have you ever seen him sleepwalk?
Once.
Once.
We were 10 years old. We were having a sleepover. And he got up in the middle of the night and then walked into the living room and then laid down on the floor, stared at the ceiling, open-eyed. I followed him because of course I did. And I went, Kacha, what are you doing? He didn't answer me. And he just stared at the ceiling. And then when I got up in the morning, because I ended up going to bed after like an hour of sitting there with him, he was still there. And his eyes were still open.
That's kind of scary.
It is kind of scary. It is kind of scary. It was scary. We were 10. Wait, but what's your never have I ever? Oh, also Kirishima goes into the kitchen all the time.
I wouldn't doubt it.
Same with Mineta.
I don't even want to know what he does in there.
I didn't see them, but I know, like, they told me, so. And I'm sure other people go into the kitchen too. Sato doesn't have to, because he has, like, a kitchen in his dorm.
Never have I ever, or you ever, gone easy on someone in sparring. And
Okay, I have. One time, I swear. Because it's not, I think it's mean to the other person to go easy on them when you're sparring with them. I think it's like, I don't know, I believe that it makes them think that you think less of them if they find out. Or like, I just think it's bad. But, back when Aoyama fractured his wrist, I went easy on him. Because I felt bad. I was like, I can't beat you up. And like,
he was already beat up.
and you've already injured yourself. And I felt bad. So I didn't do it. Oh, it's my turn. Never have I ever skipped class to go somewhere else on campus or, just go somewhere else on campus or maybe even try and get off campus.
Once.
What? Okay.
Once.
Once? You're not gonna say what it was?
It was to see my mom.
Oh, okay, that's reasonable.
Because I rarely get to see her, but they had an open time. It just so happened to be during school.
I
But I had to take it.
Yeah, that's fair. That's reasonable. I once saw Mina leave, and I asked her, we passed each other in the hallway. She was like, oh, I'm going to the bathroom. And I was like, I can tell you're lying. And she was like, I'm going shopping. Bye! And then she like skedaddled down the hallway.
Skedaddled?
Skedaddled. Yeah.
Interesting word choices.
Hey. She skedaddled down the hallway. It's your turn for Never Have I Ever.
Yeah, it is. Never have I ever split a cake in half. Are you gonna answer?
I have,
Really?
but it was an accident. And it looks fine. It's edible.
It is. It's quite delicious.
Never have I ever snuck into a part of the school, like not the kitchen or like, you know,
Like
stuff
the actual school.
Not our dorms because obviously we live there, but like never have I ever snuck into like the pool or like the like technological areas like for the support students where our stuff gets made, or like the warehouse, the junk warehouse on the back of campus, or like the inside the school or anything.
I don't know if I should say it in front of the camera.
What? What did you do?
I don't know who could be watching.
What did you do? Oh my gosh, I just lied. I have done that. Wait, I'll say it. It's fine. I regret my decisions for anyone who's watching. I once snuck into the pool. Oh, I'm gonna rat a couple of my friends out. I once snuck into the pool. I'm gonna say this like a confessional tape. With Denki, Kirishima, Moneta,
Manila?
Mina. Yeah, it was just them.
Why did it sound like you were gonna say something else? Who are you hiding? Midoriya? Who are you hiding? Come on, you can do it.
Kachan, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry for your safety. Are you gonna be okay?
Oh, and Sarah was there too.
Okay.
But no, I'm not gonna be okay. He's probably gonna whoop my ass. But it's fun. So, we snuck into the pool for training. Kachan tried to drown Mineta.
Understand.
Mina tried to drown Mineta. Sarah almost drowned. Denki almost drowned, but it was just them by themselves. So like,
Do they not know how to swim?
no, they do. I just don't know what happened. I think they were like play fighting in the water. So I actually have snuck into a part of the school before, but it was like,
It was for training purposes.
it was for training purposes. I'm sure no one will get mad at me if they see this, and I will not get yelled at once school starts up again. Anyways, do you have one?
I think I'm done with this game. I think I'm done.
You don't want to get in trouble? I'm gonna get in trouble.
I'll make sure you don't get in trouble.
I'm gonna get a drink.
Okay.
Cause that game was
That game is interesting.
I'm gonna get in so much trouble. Oh, my party hat. I'm making Caesar salad. We made a cake. Yippee! Oh no. And we're decorating it.
Yay.
All my cake is coming to life. So yeah. Do we need a knife? Do you want a knife for the blue to spread it, or are you just gonna? Can you grab the scissors actually?
Use like a spoon or something, because that'll be smoother.
Okay. Well, there's a spoon literally right here for some reason. Okay. There you go.
Thank you.
Smooth it out. Maybe lay it on extra thick around that part. It looks scary. Like it looks really scary actually. You can't see it, like, cause you're far away. But in real life, it looks. I mean, it doesn't actually look that scary. It just looks artistic, I guess. You're such a master cake decorator, Todoroki.
Thank you. It's my first time. Would you ever believe it?
No.
This is the first time I've ever baked a cake.
I would never believe that in my entire life. No. It's like painting.
I didn't get any on my shirt, did I?
No.
No? Okay.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Is it just the rim around?
It looks a little bit rough, so I'll do a 2-timer. Ooh. That's okay. No one's perfect.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is what I got A in art class. Okay, now for the ultimate task. Okay.
Make sure you have room. room for an exclamation mark? I think we do.
Everything goes according to plan.
I think it's beautiful. I think we've done a great job.
Yeah.
Yeah. Be careful. Be careful showing it to them too. I don't want it to slip.
It's just like the photo.
Sprinkles.
Oh yeah.
Oh, goodness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. The All Might cake is done, complete with sprinkles, which were not included in the design process. But
No, the sprinkles were. You added the sprinkles, just not.
oh, I did just
Just
not
not like that.
not in the way because I didn't want to cover All Might.
No.
Should we try it?
Whoa, you just really went right into it.
Oh no.
Okay. Let's get a nice fork filled with icing. If I can even find the icing. Did you just.
Whoa.
I meant to do it together.
Oh. I can spit out.
No. I'm really confused by this cake.
It's not bad.
No. The taste isn't bad. The texture's a little funky.
I like it.
Jesus! That was a huge bite.
Oh, my tummy hurts. Oh!
I think we did a good job.
I think we did a great job. Happy birthday to me.
High five.
So,
It was a great cake.
it was a great cake. It really was.
Had a great time.
We're going to ignore the fact that I haven't finished it. Todoroki has. All my, if you're seeing this, when I email it to you on our skill emails, I never meant to let you down like that.
I don't think you let him down. I think it looks great.
No, oh my, if you're seeing this, I hope you like the cake that we made in honor of you for my birthday. My tummy really hurts. and I hope whoever's watching this enjoyed my birthday vlog. My belated birthday vlog. And if you can see how disgusting this icing looks, ignore it. Oh, is that the outro?
That's the outro.
So, what was it that you didn't want to say during Never Have I Ever?
Okay, don't tell anyone this.
My lips are sealed.
Yeah?
Mm.
I was actually, I wanted to see what my dad was up to.
Like get dirt on it?
No.
Just
Just,
yeah.
he doesn't tell me much. I just
Oh.
wanted to know.
Yeah,
So
okay.
I went into the teacher's lounge.
Oh,
Didn't find anything.
what time? time? Where is it? Like, what time did you do that?
It was like 1 a.m.
Oh, my days.
But it's fine. It's fine. It's all good. It's all good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't tell anyone this though.
I mean, I go into the teacher's lounge all the time, but like,
Really?
I'm kind of like friends with All Might.
He is our teacher.
Yeah. But like, that's a different level.
No.
You like snuck into the teacher's room
Yeah, but
to get dirt on your dad.
it's my dad.
Okay, yeah, true. That is true.
Are we done now?
Yeah, thanks for telling me, Anne.
Please don't tell anyone.
I won't.
Don't tell anyone.
Do you want to play Roblox?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.